Hi, fifth graders. Okay, let me erase what I had done before. I tried to make a video and it didn't work out. Okay, so diving in today, day 3, commas. You need to make sure that you have your notebooks out and you are taking notes. The first thing we're going to talk about is how commas, which are these things, separate 3 or more words in a phrase or sentence in a series. So this example is, my pets are a cat, comma, the comma comes after the noun, a dog, comma, and a bird, period. The comma has to come before the word and, not after the word. Okay, let's put that in our notes. So use commas to separate 3 or more words. Commas separate 3 or more words in a phrase. Ooh boy. With a series. So I might say, I love hamburgers, fries, and, comma, Pepsi. So these are, that's my series. I have my comma before the and then a period afterwards. Okay, back to our notes. Positives are set off by commas. I want in your notes you to write this, please, because this word I don't know if you've heard before. Nope, I'm spelling it wrong. Appositives. They are a noun or phrase that names another noun. Okay, so for example, if I have an appositive, I might say, my dad, Dave, went to the movies with me. We're talking about appositives today, which in this case is Dave, because they always have a comma before the appositive and a comma after. So you want to make sure that your appositive is naming what it is. So my dad is Dave. I could switch that around and I could say Dave, comma, my dad went to the movies with me. My dad is now the appositive because it's renaming who Dave is. It's just renaming what you said before to help your reader identify who you're talking about. But that is what we call appositives. Okay. So they use the example, Duke, comma, my pet dog, comma, likes to play outside. If you just said Duke likes to play outside, the person who's reading that might not know it's a dog. So that's why you might do something like that. But you have to make sure that you are setting them off by commas. All right. Commas are also used in sentences when you have to start off sentences with yes, no, or thank you, along with introductory words. So, no, I don't have a pet snake. You can't, there's a pause there naturally when you say that, like, yes, I love ice cream. No, I don't want to do that today. Or, thank you, I love that sweater. You want to make sure that if you're starting with something like this, yes, no, or thank you, that you have the comma afterwards. So, in our notes, we're going to write a star right use commas after yes, no, or thank you. Also, introductory words. All right, so this comma situation is what you're going to be practicing today in your Google Slide document. It does give you at the top, we've got commas, what they are, what appositives do, and that we need to make sure that we use commas when we use yes, no, and thank you. So what's interesting about this one is there's no dragging this time. We have to rewrite the sentence. So you're going to click on it and you're going to type in there. The first one is the school sports teams include baseball, soccer, and football. So you're going to click on that and you're going to type, but my keyboard's not popping up. But you have a keyboard on your Chromebook, so you'll be fine. You want to type that correctly using your commas. Please use your commas. All right, kiddos, ask your teachers if you need help and have fun.